Today is the day we get off of this beautiful ship. Our flight is not until 8 p.m. We're gonna go to Bayside. We have decided to just go to the movie. So we are at this movie theater. I think it's a movie theater or it's just like a fancy building with a lot of escalators. All right, movie's over. It was great. And now we are headed back to the Miami airport to get our luggage. Hello.
Doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
This airport is so big. It is about 1:22 in the morning. We had to fly from Fort Lauderdale to Vegas where we have a layover, a long layover. So we got a hotel. Our flight landed at about 10:30. We just checked into the hotel. It took that long to get a shuttle and pick everyone up on the shuttle and then get here and then stand in a very long line. I think it took about half an hour after we got here to get checked into the hotel. We're staying at the Stratosphere and it's a really nice room. The guy, I told him we were checking out early. We're checking out at 6 a.m. So he gave us a suite. But let me show you the room. So this is our room at the Stratosphere. This is the door. So I'm standing at the door. So I'm standing at the door when you walk in, and there's this long hallway. And I think that's probably like a connecting room. Some artwork on the wall. And then you come to this beautiful area. We have a whole sitting area. All of our bags we've thrown down here. A table. And here is a huge closet with a safe. Over here, see if we have a view of anything. Probably, since it's Vegas. Oh, or not. Nope. We basically have a view of a wall, but you can see the top of the Stratosphere up there. That's okay. We don't need to see anything because we're going to be going to bed. So we have this TV here. This area. This area here. Here's the bed. We have this. And then I thought that this over here behind the couch was like another huge closet. And so I came over. And can you see this? I'll turn the light on. It's a huge tub. So let me go into the bathroom so I can show everyone. All right, so here is the bathroom area. There's mats on the floor, a huge shower, a massive tub that I think we'll even use tonight. It's late, but hey. And your toilet with doors for privacy. But the shower has no privacy. All right, so this is our room for the next 5 hours. We're going to bed. Oh, the pink one, the pink and the rose gold. Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
Bye, ladies.
Thanks. Thank you. How's it feel to finally be headed home? Yep. You touched it. Oops. Right there. Go. Oh.